Hey bunnies, it's Bunny. Today we're going to be doing the slime backwards challenge. So right here I just have some that, and I'm just using it so that I could use it as a tripod. I'm soon going to get a tripod, you guys, but yeah. So we're going to do the backwards challenge. Let's get started. Because there's no foam beads or any type of beads, we're going to add activator first. So I think that much would be enough. Okay, now let's add our glitter. Okay guys, now we're going to add in our glitter. This is some snowflake glitter. It's really, really pretty. Now we're going to pour it in. This looks so pretty, you guys. Look at it. Now we are going to add in our color. Now we're going to be adding in some beautiful blue. We're adding in 4 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to be adding in the red. We're going to be adding 2 drops. Make it like a really dark purple. And now we are going to mix. It looks like black, but it is really purple, I promise you guys. Now we are going to be adding in our, this is, it's not actually what it says. I just like to use this bottle. It is just a mixture of what I like to add in slime to make it super stretchy. Now let's mix. We're going to be adding in some coconut oil. Okay, so I'm going to measure it. Okay, I think this is enough coconut oil, and we're going to pour it in. And then we are going to mix. Now, guys, last but not certainly least is, this is all mixed up. Ooh, look at that color. It looks so marbly in real life. Camera, it looks like dark blue, but it's a really nice purple. Now we're going to be adding in our clear glue. I promise you guys, I am not going to add any activator while off camera or anything like that. I'll show you guys right after, and then we're going to fix it if we need to. Look at how cool this is. Okay guys, so it's really, really sticky. This is the final result. I am going to add a bit of activator. I just wanted to tell you guys so I'm not lying. And we are going to be back with you when it's ready. Okay guys, after I fixed it, this is what the side looks like now. It is really nice, and I really like it. Now it is a little bit sticky because I have no idea why. So we're going to be back, and I think we're going to do some slime pressing. Look at this. Sorry.